The President's Cat by Peter Donnelly. Let's have a look at this front cover. We can see a man and his cat, which from the title we can assume is the President and his cat. Do you know our President's name? That's right, it's Michael Higgins. The President and his wife had just returned home from their holidays. Home sweet home. Oh dear, said the President's wife. I think we've left the cat behind. Don't worry, said the President. I have an idea. That evening, there was a news flash all across Ireland. We interrupt this programme with a very important message. The President's cat is lost. He is fluffy and ginger and likes to meet new people. If you find him, please return him to Áras an Uachtaráin in Dublin. Thank you. The next morning, a fisherman was heading to Kenmare when he spotted the President's cat. Jump up here, he said. I'll take you as far as the market. The President's cat enjoyed a nice fresh breakfast. Yum! What did he have for breakfast? Why do you think he had that? At the market he met a big hairy biker who was buying some fish. I'm going to the Rock of Cashel, he said. I can give you a ride. Have a look at that marketplace. There's a lot of things going on there. Take a moment and have a good look. Woohoo! Whee! Vroom! At the Rock of Cashel, they noticed a group of hippies dancing. Hey, little dude, they said. We can take you as far as Glendalough. That's our next stop. Have you ever been to the Rock of Cashel? Maybe you've been to Glendalough. Can you make a link? Can you make a connection? Along the way, they passed a flock of sheep. The farmer's dog got very excited and chased them down the road. Come back, Shep! Woof, woof! As they arrived in Glendalough, they saw a very tall tower. Perhaps someone in there could help the President's cat. Can you make a prediction? Who might live in the very tall tower? Inside, he met an old monk who had a pet monkey. It's your lucky day, said the monk. I'm taking my monkey to Dublin Zoo to visit his cousins. You can come with us too. Can you make a connection? Have you ever been to the zoo? All the way to Dublin, the monk's monkey would not sit still, and the President's cat couldn't resist joining in the mischief. Ha ha ha! Finally, they reached Dublin Zoo, and the President's cat knew that he was almost home. When he heard a familiar voice call out, I can drop you home, it's on my way, said the postmistress. As they cycled to the President's house, he told the postmistress all about his adventure and the wonderful people who had helped him get home. When they arrived at the Áras, everyone was so happy to see the President's cat again. Woof! Yay! Woof! Well, almost everyone.